Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Edge channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can fix Instagram bad quality on story video. So first open your Instagram. Now once you open your Instagram application, you can see all these stories over here. If you tap on that, you will be able to see all the stories of your Instagram that you follow on Instagram. Now if you have a bad quality on Instagram story, what you can do is you can check your internet connection, whether the internet connection quality is good or not. You might having a limited connection as well. This will result in the low quality of your story as well. You can also try resetting your network setting or adjust the camera setting as well to see the better and clear stories. You can also try updating your application for better quality. So basically the best way to fix this problem is to connect to a strong Wi-Fi signal and you will be able to see a quality story video. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Edge channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.